Well, I just got home from the grocery and it's Coupon Wednesday. However, as I stated in an earlier video, there was only 2 things on the list that I really thought was merited my attention. I was wrong. We got 4 items. So make sure that you really check also on your sales, your U deals. My U deals merited me 50 cents off some ketchup and butter. 1 pound of butter. It traditionally was $9.97 a pound. Your limit is 4. My U deal allowed me to get it at $2.97 a pound. You can get 4 limit, I got 4. So the total cost would have been $27 and some change for the butter. I got it for $11.88, 4 pounds. Spend $211 on groceries since January 1st. It's now March 18th. $211 is what we spent total because of being a food prepper. With that stated, it comes out to an average of $70 a month. So it also shows me on my app what I've saved so far, total lifetime savings. We've been shopping this way now for 15 months. On 15 months, we have spent $1,145 on food. Divide that by 15 months, we're averaging $76 a month on groceries. It's possible to do. Come along and let me show you my shopping excursion. So I'm here at the store by myself. Kevin wanted to stay home today, and I'm gonna get the strawberries and chicken. So I picked up my strawberries, which are $2 to $3, and I got 4 of them. Now here's what's interesting too. Here we've got 10 pounds of potatoes or 10 pounds of carrots for $8.99. Now I buy these, and that's how I do my carrots, cutting them all up. It's $8.99. Last time I bought 10 pounds, they were $4.99. So these have went up $4 since December. But I buy these and I shred them in my food processor or cut them and then freeze them in individual serving. Let's continue on. Now these same potatoes you see here are $2.99, and last week they were on sale for 77 cents. That's why you bargain shop only when they're on sale, or you would pay the $2.99. So we're gonna pass on potatoes, we're not getting them. I want a sweet potato for Koji's food that I'm making my dog, because I do rice and I do a sweet potato and chicken. However, at $1.99 a pound, we're gonna skip the sweet potato this time, and I'm gonna use some of my carrots and put carrots in his dog food instead of the sweet potato this time. So let's continue on here on our little shopping excursion at the expensive grocery stores. Let's go over and get my chicken, which is on sale for $1.67 per pound. 8 pounds is my max, and that's what we're gonna get. All right, can I get the 8 pounds of the chicken breast at $1.67? Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you've got to watch your U deals as well. So there's some coupon savings in that category. So we're out of ketchup, so I need to go to the condiment aisle. Coupon on my condiment section of U deals That's going to take 50 cents off ketchup, the Heinz brand. So on a 32 ounce, 50 cents off is 50 cents. We'll see if that's a bargain or if the, pardon me, off-brand ketchup is cheaper. We're going to take a peek here. Okay. So we have the 32 ounce Heinz ketchup, traditionally $6.99 they say, and now it's at $4.99. So when they change this, they make you think you're getting a sale, and it really isn't. They're just giving you a member price, which means I've got the app, so I'm not going to pay $6.99. I'm going to pay $4.99. Plus, I have a coupon for another 50 cents off. So we're going to go ahead and get it. Okay. The next thing on my list, let me pull it out of my pocket here. Butter. Gotta go get the butter. Butter is not on sale, but you've got to watch your U deals. I'm going to pop it up here on the screen so you can see it. Is that the butter is $6.97 for 32 ounces, of which I think is 4 sticks. $6.97. Now I've got a U deal that is going to allow me to buy it at $2.97, and I can buy 4 as my limit. So let's go check out the butter. And again, I don't buy any of this artificial stuff. So right here, it's $2.97 under my U deal. So I've already clipped it. So I'm gonna be able to get 4 of those. Let me see if that's the right thing. So normally $6.99 to $2.97. 4 is the limit. So we're gonna grab that. Now that's the only thing on my list that we're gonna buy. But even this is nonsense. I can't believe it's not butter. Let's take a look at this. Get out of the way. So you can get, I can't believe it's not butter, for $9.99, normally $10.99. But let's take a look at these ingredients. You've got water, good oils, whatever that is, soybean, palm, kernel palm. So I guess that's a good oil they're claiming. Salt, lectin, which is soy, beta carotene, which is color. So there's nothing in here that is dairy. So I can't believe it's not butter is because it's not butter. There's no dairy in there. So you're loading your body up with chemicals. Become a label reader. Let's see, they don't have anything else that we need. Nothing on my list. And that's how we shop. Buy only what's on your list, get it as a deal, and get out. Don't get caught up in all this stuff here. Unreal what they want for bread. $5.49 right here. They want $5.49 for the potato bread. And they've got it on a member's deal at $3.99. And I made the potato bread at home in my loaf, and it cost me $1.80. That's why we don't buy it. I make it at home much cheaper than even $3.99. That's why you need to become self-sufficient. Prep your own food. Make your own food. Potato bread. Honestly, it costs me about $1.75 to make it. Okay, let's check out. And as we check out, we'll go to our favorite checker, which is Jonathan. He's here today. He normally gives me another $5 coupon off. We'll see what he does. Okay, so there we got Jonathan again. Jonathan, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good. 3, 4. We got the ketchup. We got the butter. Let's punch in my number and see what we save. Oh, aren't you kind? It's because I shop with you only, right?
$40.35. You saved $31.54 today. Not bad.
That's not bad.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. Hey, let's head back to the truck. So, our bill was $72. We spent, I'll look at the receipt here. We spent $40. We saved $31. So we have a 44% savings at the supermarket by shopping this way. While we're here, I need to get gas. We only buy gas for the car once a month also. I'm down to 18 miles before I'm on empty. Today's the 18th of March. We got gas the last week of February, and we filled up. We use our points. It's 100 points for every 20 cents discount on gas. I don't get to use the points this month because we've not spent $100. I only have, counting today's grocery shopping, I only have $71 in sales or purchases. So I only have 71 points. You have to have 100 points. So I'm going to get gas, pay full price, but I'm only going to fill a half a tank instead of a full tank in the event that we hit enough points next month. So gas is $4.30 a gallon, and I don't have any coupon points, so we're gonna pay $4.29. Had I had points, I would have paid $4.09. So let's get some gas. So I got the gas, and I only put 10 gallons in. So it cost me close to $50 to put in 10 gallons of gas. I only filled it halfway because I'm hopeful that next month we'll have at least $100 in groceries and I can save 20 cents. If not, we're good. We don't drive a whole lot. So the half tank of gas allows me 218 miles, which is about an average for us each month. I need to leave the supermarket, but I had to first get a picture of those mountains. Aren't those beautiful? Shopping with us often. Truly, I'm going to attach it right here. Since January 1st, we have spent $211 on groceries because we're preppers. I'll do the math for you here in a moment, and you'll see what our total was each month. Prepping is saving you money. I'm telling you, please heed my advice. And go to the store and shop only on lost leader sales or huge discounted sales to get what you need. You'll live fine. Till next time, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.